This is Mimi's. The ice cream here comes from a family recipe, small batches, tuned over years until it was just right. Naomi, everyone calls her Mimi, dreamed this place up, and friends and family helped her build it. These days, she runs it with her son, Joe. 5 real ingredients, that's it. No stabilizers, none of the fillers a big production run leans on. Fresh fruit always. The strawberry's been that way since day one. And for the dairy-free crowd, there's Happy Ice, a Philadelphia-style water ice. Literally just water, sugar, fruit, and lemon. The board changes with the season: Palisade peach, toasted marshmallow, lemon pudding cookie, espresso, whatever fits the mood. This is where Delta slows down together, a scoop, a seat, good conversation. Come see us at 320 Main Street.